G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and we're just going to have a bit of a chat about how to make your water taste better. There are a number of reasons why your water might smell or not taste the best. If you're on town city scheme water, they're using a lot of chlorine and chloramines to kill the bugs and bacteria in the water so the water is potable when it gets to our homes. Chlorine is just like bleach, so the residue of that is what you are tasting, which is awful. If you are on well water or some other type of water, then there could be an organic-y taste, or it could have a lot of mineral in it or iron, and that's going to give you an unfavourable taste and flavour. Water being as necessary as it is, that is for good health, we all want to encourage our family to drink more water. But if the water tastes awful, then that is just a hard sell. To make your water taste better, you're going to need carbon, or a water filter that takes out the chlorine and chloramines. In fact, carbon cartridges are referred to as chlorine taste and odour cartridges. That is what it is designed to do. Carbon makes water taste better. Most water filter systems have carbon or something to remove the chlorine taste. If you're on town city water, check out the test results before you purchase a water filter to ensure the chlorine and chloramines are taken care of. If you really want to make sure you get all the nasties out, we recommend reverse osmosis RO water filters, which have a carbon cartridge before the osmosis membrane to clean up the majority of the chlorine and chloramines. Then there is often another carbon cartridge after the membrane to polish up the water to make it as tasty as possible to consume. We do recommend the HBF 7-stage reverse osmosis water filter with Grander because it has a few great cartridges after the reverse osmosis membrane that make the water taste really great, plus the added benefit of structured water. Other good water filters to use would be the Filteroo range of benchtop gravity water filters or the Ultra Pure range of benchtop and under-sink systems. I hope that helps a little, and please do let us know if we can assist you in any way. Thank you.